In this lecture, we will review how to support the holistic development of children. And we're talking about specifically between 3 and 6 years of age. The question is, however, why is holistic development important for children? When children have great experiences with curiosity and exploration, it helps them develop a positive attitude towards learning that can stay with them throughout their lives. This has flow-on effects in all 5 aspects of development, which contributes to their overall confidence, their self-esteem, and relationships, and lays a solid foundation for their personal and academic growth. What is an example of holistic approach in childcare, you may ask? Well, taking a holistic approach in childcare means paying close attention to each child's physical, social, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual interests and behaviors. Whenever a child takes a natural interest in interacting with someone or doing a certain action, the carer will notice and encourage learning through this interest. For example, if a child starts to show that they like to act things out, a holistic caretaker might create fun scenes to act out from scenes in a history book, so they play and learn at the same time. Next, how can I support holistic development? Well, whether you're an educator, a teacher, teacher's aide, or parent, here are a few quick tips on how you can support and encourage holistic development in a child's early years. First, ask open-ended questions. Learning is experimental. By asking open-ended questions, you're contributing to children's cognitive development by allowing them to think for themselves and explore their thoughts rather than give a simple yes or no answer. Second, build strong and trusting relationships. Children engage and communicate better when they can connect with people they trust. By building a strong relationship with a child, you're contributing to their social development. This helps to create a safe, supportive community and improves connection between children, parents, and other educators. Third, identify the child's interests. Understanding children's interests and motivations will help guide them to discover their identity, their values, and purpose. That is, it contributes to their spiritual development. When you identify an interest, you can take a small idea and expand on it, using it as an opportunity for learning and encouragement. And lastly, create an engaging and inviting environment. Creating a comfortable and safe environment for children to connect and to be themselves, that's great. Make it inviting with the use of color, child-friendly furniture, interest corners, and areas for individuals or small groups, and creative play. Supporting children to learn in harmony with their unique personalities and abilities is so very important for well-rounded development. The value of holistic development is receiving loads of recognition throughout the education industry, and the hands-on approach is now increasingly favored by teachers, teachers' aides, and early childhood educators around the world. Now, in this next series of lectures, you will see I talk about physical development and growth, also sleep disorders in children, cognitive development in the 3 to 6 year olds, and how do we help children to build a positive sense of self, and the different parenting styles, which is the best and which are the worst.